Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Prequel Anti-Itch Solution. This product retails for $25. This is a steroid-free medicated ointment that is supposed to help reduce the irritation, the redness in your skin. This is looking to be a very situational product from Prequel, and I'm glad they are covering this market because I feel like it is a really niche, not really touched on market from skincare. There's a lot of drugstore brands that are trusted with anti-itch creams. I can't wait to see what Prequel has done with this because I have liked a lot of their more treatment-based technologies in the past. I'm mainly going to be using this in my drier areas. I'm dealing with a lot of dry skin on my chin and around my neck, so I will be testing it out for that and just seeing what I notice in this formula. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They use Pramoxine Hydrochloride in this to provide an instant itch relief, along with a multi-ceramide blend and Allantoin. To check out the full ingredients, you can click the link in the description to go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Now, I can't say that I will be able to testify for all the benefits with this. I will mainly just be seeing how it relieves my itchy, irritated, dry skin, but they do also have coconut oil in here. That is something that has been a notorious trigger for a lot of people's acne-prone skin, so just keep that in mind. I will be seeing if I experience breakouts or acne with it, and I also want to see what finish it leaves. How relieving is it? Is it an instant benefit? And also, is it something that I see better over time? Just be wanting to see how this performs. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. Now, I'm going to use this product very situationally. Today, I'm just going to go in around my dry areas because I'm really dealing with bad dryness. Didn't moisturize my face as much as I should have last night, and I woke up with pretty dry skin. I usually try to apply a richer moisturizer on my drier areas, but I also had intentions of trying this today, so I wanted to try it out. I'm more wanting to see with this if it's gonna leave a heavy finish, which right there, it's kind of looking like it is not too greasy, but it definitely leaves a little bit more of a moisturized finish. Instant comforting for my skin. I could see myself using this as a hand cream, as a foot cream. I am going to apply just a little bit of this right here where I'm dealing with such bad dryness. So on my neck, this is definitely going to be a more extended use product. I love how much you get of it, and it does provide an instant nourishment to my drier areas. I could definitely see this being a good anti-itch cream. This is amazing. They say to use this on burns, cuts, sunburns, scrapes, bites, all of that stuff. I definitely would want to have one of these on hand for an instant barrier nourishment. I love it because it is super comforting instantly. I can definitely see where it would take any itchiness out of dry or irritated skin. It automatically did from that area, and I love it for that reason. I'm going to continue using it, and I'm going to use it in different areas all over my face and body and just see, and then I will keep you posted with this product. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This did provide an instant soothing ability and calming effect. I did have some dry, itchy skin on my chin area and also around my body, just different parts of my face and my body. Didn't have any insect bites, a lot of the specific things that this is supposed to treat, but I did have really itchy, dry skin, and it did amazing to instantly soothe that. So I feel like that is a plus of this product. But one negative that I noticed, I broke out from it when I did use it in my acne prone areas. My acne is very odd. It sometimes appears in areas like my cheeks. It sometimes appears in areas like my back, my chest. I get acne in different areas, and I did notice this in some of the dry areas when I was using this consistently. I did notice they have coconut oil in here, and sadly it was high up on the ingredient list, so I do think I was sensitive to that in this formulation. I don't necessarily necessarily think this was a moisturizer designed for acne prone skin. Not to say that it's gonna cause acne with everybody, because it was very weird with me. It only did in certain areas, but still I was able to use them on some areas like my feet, some parts of my back and my body. My chin and my neck area didn't break out from it. It's very weird with where I broke out from it, and it's just a tell of even on your own skin, sometimes acne prone skin is not a one universal defining thing. So I'm not sure I would discredit this for acne prone skin because everyone's acne is different, but I did notice I am gonna have to be careful of where I use this product. I do like that this is a treatment-based product that is designed to instantly calm some of the itchiness that can come from rough and dry skin, and I noticed that to be true. Similar with a lot of Prequel's treatments, this is multifaceted, meaning it is supposed to cover a lot of ground and be a treatment that you can use for many different skin concerns. I felt like that was very accurate with this, and I feel like I would recommend it for that reason. Just be careful if you have acne prone skin. It may break you out. The coconut oil and some other ingredients in this product have been notorious for causing acne with some people's skin type, but there's only one way to try it out for yourself, and that's by trying it. Everyone's acne is different. I can't sit here and act like it's not gonna work for everyone's acne prone skin. It did work on some parts of my body, and I'm technically acne prone. Kind of threw me off, but that has happened with products before, especially moisturizers. I struggle with that. So that is just something to be mindful of, but not something to rule this product out. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next one.